Hey, this is Tem Israel, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how to set levels, import AutoCAD, and use the wall component on Revit. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is select the right template or a template that works for you. In this video, I'll be using the default metric template. Feel free to choose whichever works for your region or workplace. Once the Revit working interface is fully opened, the next thing you need to do is set your levels. This is very important to know what level to import your AutoCAD file to. Go to Project Browser on the sidebar and select any elevation. Double-click on it to open. In this template, I have two pre-existing levels. I'll modify and add to them according to my design project. Double-click the name and value of any level to change its name and value respectively. Also, add more levels if you need to. Go to Architecture, under the Datum tab, select Level, under Draw, select Pick Line, that is the cursor with line on it. Type the appropriate value in the Offset box and select the level you want to offset from. Once you're done setting your levels, go to the ground floor level or any level you wish to import your AutoCAD file. Go to the Insert tab and select Import Card. A window will pop up asking you to select the file you wish to import. Go to the location of the file and select it. Once selected, you can leave other settings as they are. For now, we don't want you messing things up. The next thing you need to do is create the appropriate wall thickness for your project. In this case, I have a wall thickness of 225 mm. Go to the Architecture tab, select Wall, and in the Properties sidebar, select Edit Type. Once the Modify window pops up, click on Duplicate and type any name you want. This is a very important step so you don't mess with the pre-existing wall types. After renaming, click the Edit button. It is right below the Value column. Change the existing value to the one you want by selecting and typing the appropriate value. Click on OK when you're done and OK again to finish editing the wall. To start placing the wall, you first need to set the base and top constraints for the walls on the Properties sidebar. In my case, the base constraint is the ground floor level. It's where my walls are starting from. While my top constraint is the first floor level. Once set, start drawing your walls by following the center line of the imported CAD work. Of course, there is a much faster way to go about this. Under Draw, select Pick Lines. It is the second to the last tool there. On Location line, select any of exterior or interior. Start by picking the walls of the imported CAD file. You must however make sure the broken blue line is at the center of the lines to correctly locate your walls. Note that you do not necessarily need to select all the walls, as this can lead to walls overlapping. Also put the visual style on shaded to see where you've created the walls. Once you have created just enough walls, you can use the trimming or extend tool to fix up those places that are not closing up.